Hello everyone, it's Heather and I'm here with another Stitch Fix unboxing. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel because you like my Stitch Fix unboxings. Let's adjust this a little bit. I really appreciate it. This is primarily a travel channel, so if you have subscribed to my channel because of the Stitch Fix unboxings, thank you. And I hope that you will take the time to look at my travel content too, because that is the primary goal of my channel, is to share our travel experiences and help other travelers. But I have to say that the times that I'm most likely to wear the clothes I get from Stitch Fix is when we travel. So they're kind of related. I skipped the May box because we were going to be going to Alaska and I needed every penny that I had for that trip to Alaska. It was very expensive. But now it's June. It's the middle of June and I have got another Stitch Fix box. Megan also got a Stitch Fix box it was right after she got home from college for the summer. So yeah, it was like the middle of May. And she kept one thing from the box. She kept this green striped jumpsuit, actually. She really liked it and she wore it to dinner our first night on our cruise. I will put a picture in right here. There was a couple other items in the box she kind of liked, but nothing enough to keep and pay for. Ben has decided to skip the June box, and he won't be getting another box until July. So anyway, this is my June Stitch Fix box, and I am going to open it here for you and show you what I got. Megan is supposed to be getting a June box too, and we were actually kind of surprised that my box came before hers because she got the email saying that her box was on the way before I did. So weird. Okay, so we have the bag. If I'm going to send anything back. All right. Our little oh hello note. Hello there, Heather. Happy Fix Day. Summer is just around the corner. It's actually here. And with the temperatures rising and days getting longer, I focused your fix on fun, fresh, transitional pieces to help you step into summer in style. To fill your request for a skirt, I selected a maxi skirt from Skies Are Blue. You can style your new skirt with the Daniel Rain knit tank for a chic spring-summer look. I saw that you had the green pale sky top saved in your Freestyle account, so I wanted to make sure and include it in this fix. Oh, great! To ensure that you receive personalized, stylish, and well-fitting pieces, we rely heavily on your feedback. Please be sure to leave us specific feedback on fits, cuts, styles, and patterns so we can tailor your fixes to the styles you love. Until next time, Ruby. Okay. I definitely do give lots of feedback, so we all do. All right. 5 items this time, total $268. If I buy all 5, I get 25% off, which would save me $67, which would bring the order subtotal to $201. I would get a $20 styling fee credit, and I have $5 of credit from a promotional offer. Shipping is free, which would bring my order total to $176 if I keep all 5 items. Okay, let's see what we have. This is pretty. Ooh, I really like that. It's really kind of soft and quilted up here. I like the color. Good with my hair, I think. It's a nice loose style. This is cute. It's a top. Okay, this is the, let's see, Daniel Rain. Daniel Rain Adobe split neck top in coral. $58. Kind of pricey, but it feels really nice. This quilted part especially is thick. Okay. Okay, this is the top that she was mentioning that I had actually kind of shopped for on the site and had saved. It looks a lot like, I have a long sleeve one that I bought at Kohl's in my closet that's very similar. This is the other Daniel Rain Nayla lace neck knit. Oh, it's not a tank. Is it a tank? Knit tank, I guess. Oh, blue. That's not right. What? This is Daniel Rain. That's not right. It says it's blue. Okay, it does say there's a Pale Sky Kiara Eyelet detail top in green for $64. That's weird. There's a discrepancy in the description, but I mean the tag clearly says Daniel Rain, so that's weird. But this is really cute too. It's very soft. Okay. Not sure I like this pattern. I don't really like this one. Monday Fun. Sue Tulip sleeve top in off-white, $40. I don't know. I'll have to try it on. Okay. This is the one that's blue, but it also says Daniel Rain. So I wonder if they just got the designer or the label wrong on that green one. This has to be the Daniel Rain nail lace neck knit tank in blue for $58. Oh yeah, it is a tank. That's nice because I can always, yeah, it gets hot and humid here in the summer, and we sometimes go to very hot and humid places. That's really cute. Not sure I like the lace. That's kind of a little too country-ish for me. A little too Jessica Ashley, if you will. But we'll try it on and see what it looks like. Okay. Ooh, I can already tell this is going to be a no. Because of the colors. Ugh, I don't like that at all. I do not like that at all. That is the Skies Are Blue Mod Maxi Skirt in olive. $48. If you'll forgive me so I don't have to take off my shorts today, I don't even think I'm going to try this on. I don't like the pleats. I hate the colors. I would never wear this. So that one's definitely going back. Okay, but let me try all the tops on for you. So there's 4 tops. The skirt is a definite no. I hate it. Okay, but I'm going to try on the tops for you. This is super cute. I love this. I like this quilting. I really like the color. It's very comfortable. I like this a lot. I think I will probably keep this one. Let's check the washing instructions though. It's line dry. But I still think I'm going to keep it because I really like it. This one is also very cute. And again, love the color. I have discovered that I love how I look in green. And so I want to buy more green. And so I have been buying more green. This is very cute. I like the top a lot. It's nice and loose and comfortable down here. Like this one a lot. I think I will keep this one too. I like this more than I thought I would, mostly because of the fit. It's very smooth. But I'm not really, I don't love white for me. And also these sleeves are kind of funky. They make me feel like I'm in Star Trek. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't think I'm going to keep this one, but I like it more than I thought I would. But I don't think it's a keeper. This is comfortable and it fits fine, but this is just not my taste. This is too, it's just too country for me. I don't like this lace and the little polka dot little points on there. Yeah, that's just not my style. So I'm not going to keep this one. All right, so there you go. Not bad overall. I'm keeping 2 pieces, sending 3 back. I think they did okay. That should be like, unfortunately, oh no, I didn't pick the most expensive. Oh yes, I did. I picked 2 of the most expensive items to keep. One is $64 and one is $58, but that's okay. I can always use more clothes. Yeah. They are both line dry, the items that I'm keeping, so I'm going to have to remember that when I wash them, but not the end of the world. Okay, so decent fix overall. I don't know if I'm going to get a July or August box because I think I do have enough summer stuff to wear, but I think what I'm really in need of is cold weather stuff. I'm going to need more pants and I definitely need more long sleeve shirts. I have like 3 long sleeve shirts. Seriously, I don't have hardly any long sleeve shirts. So I might either tell them that that's what I need and not to send me summer stuff, or I might just wait until September to get my next box. But not sure about that yet. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming either Stitch Fix or some other thing that I decide to try unboxings, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Have a great day, everyone, and safe travels.